Hey everyone, and welcome back to the garage. Before we get our hands dirty, make sure you stick around to the end. I'll be giving you a complete cost breakdown for this repair, from a simple DIY fix to what a shop might charge. Today we're tackling a problem that looks small but can cause confusion, that pesky oil leak around your engine's oil filler cap. We'll explore the common causes, from a worn-out seal to bigger pressure problems, and the risks of ignoring it. I'll show you how to diagnose it and fix it yourself, so if you've noticed that oily film on your engine, you're in the right place. This common issue applies to a huge range of vehicles under the Stellantis umbrella. We're talking about many popular Dodge models, a massive number of Jeeps, and of course Ram trucks. It's especially prevalent on models equipped with the incredibly widespread 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, but it can affect other power plants as well. So, what's the symptom? You pop your hood and see a fine, greasy film coating the area around your oil filler cap. It can look like a light splatter or a persistent mist that attracts dust and grime, making a mess of your engine cover. This isn't normal engine sweat. It's a telltale sign of a very specific and thankfully simple problem. If you search online, you'll see this issue discussed constantly. Words like recall and technical service bulletin, or TSB, get thrown around, causing a lot of confusion. But let's set the record straight. This is not a safety recall, and it's not even an official TSB. What Mopar actually released back in September 2020 was something called a GPOP tech tip with the NHTSA ID 101-81516. Think of it less like a public announcement and more like an internal memo for dealership technicians. Hey, we're seeing this a lot. Here's the quick fix kind of note. The tech tip explains that over time, constant heat cycles cause the cap's rubber O-ring to degrade. It becomes hard, brittle, and flattened, losing its ability to create a proper seal against the engine's normal crankcase pressure. The bulletin instructs technicians to simply inspect the oil filler cap seal. If the O-ring is bad, they should only replace the O-ring. It specifically warns them not to replace the entire cap just for a failed seal, noting that dealers can be charged back for the unnecessary part if they do. When it comes to parts, there are two O-rings to know. The primary one is the green O-ring, part number 680292999AA, which is the common standard seal. There was also a blue, thicker O-ring, part number 680293000AA, a beefier alternate that is now largely discontinued. So why do some sites list it as a TSB? The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, groups many manufacturer communications together in its public database. Data aggregators pull from that broad list, so internal tech tips and official TSBs often appear side by side without clear distinction. But again, let's be perfectly clear. This is not a recall. It's a known maintenance item with a simple, inexpensive fix. If you or your tech spot that oil mist, the first and most important step is to check the O-ring. Is it torn or cracked? Has it become hardened, brittle, or flattened into a square shape? Or is it simply missing altogether? If the answer is yes to any of these, just replace that small seal. In almost every case, the leak will stop, keeping your engine bay clean and your oil where it belongs. The solution is often as simple as replacing the oil filler cap's O-ring. Over time, engine heat makes this little rubber seal hard and brittle, losing its ability to seal. This allows that frustrating oil mist to escape. To fix it, just get a new O-ring, carefully pry the old one off the cap, and pop the new one on. It's a quick and simple job that, for many owners, completely solves the mystery. Best of all, this is an incredibly cheap fix. The genuine Mopar O-ring itself usually runs under $5. Because it takes less than a minute to install, even if you have a shop do it, you're probably looking at a total bill of just $10 to $20. It's a small price to pay for a clean engine bay and peace of mind. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. Let us know in the comments if you've run into this issue. Your story could help another owner out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical car tips. Thanks for watching.